am so excited to share with you one of my very favorite holiday palettes that we have this season, the Indulge in Color set. So let's take a look at some of the looks you can create within this palette. Look how cute this compact is with this swirl look, and it's got this beautiful mirror on the inside. And then you've got all these great colors right in one place. Today I have on the color right here that you see, it's kind of like a pale pinkish peach color that I used as my shadow base. I've got this brown shadow as my contour. I've also taken that brown shadow and I've smoked it up around the lash line to just give a nice natural look to the daytime look I wanted to create. And what I like about these shadows is that they're long wearing, they're crease resistant, and you're gonna get some great color payoff as you wear that natural look. We're gonna play a little bit with the deeper colors that are on the outer edge that you could either use as like an eyeshadow liner, or you could put it as an eyeshadow on the lid and really have a dramatic look. So taking some of the deeper shadow that's on the top, kind of a bluish tone, deeper color here, I'm going to be using an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to actually place the color all along the lash line as well as into the crease where you can get a little drama, or you can take it all throughout the lid and give you more of a fuller smoky look. Then I'm taking some of the skinny brush and I'm applying it to the bottom of the lash line to also continue that nice daytime smoky look. Then we'll take a little bit of the light color. We're gonna add that right into the center of the eye there to really brighten that. Then we're gonna take the lightest color and we'll blend that right into the brow so it really smokes it up. And then lastly, to smoke up the look, I use a pencil liner and our high impact Kaja liner to give you that more smoky kind of look along the lash line. And then lastly, to really kick up the drama, I always add my liquid liner and some mascara to finish the look. So if you'd like to clean any messes up that you have, a Q-tip is so easy to use. You can just clean up any edges that you have on the eye area. You can also use it to help smudge eyeshadow on the lash line. Another tip that I love with this palette is that you can use a couple of colors for highlighters. So you've got these two light shades here that are kind of a golden tone and a peachy tone that are fantastic to use as a highlighter on the tops of the cheeks, on the nose, and even on the Cupid's bow. Lastly, I add a little high impact mascara to finish off the look. I hope you're inspired by some of the looks that we created today with this palette, and I hope that you pick one up for yourself and also for someone that you care about this holiday season.